On the tower, Riverjet 850 is ILS 05.
Riverjet 850, channel tower, wind 3605 knots, clear to land on 05.
05, clear to land, parking exact air, Riverjet 850.
Thank you, Air Canada 982, departure 128.
188, Air Canada 982.
WestJet 703, tower line up, runway 06 left, keep the challenge, actually disregard the visual. Canada 991, take Delta 6 when you get there.
Delta 6, Canada 991.
Skype is 926, departure 128.
28, Skype is 926, good day.
Shed 703, wind 3508, clear takeoff, runway 06 left.
Clear for takeoff, 6 left, WestJet 703.
Air Canada 402, tower line up, runway 06 left.
Line up, wait 06 left, Air Canada 402. Toronto Tower, hello, Air Sprint 654, Kerpu final 05, parking exact air.
Canada 402, wind 3407, clear takeoff, runway 06 left.
Clear takeoff 06 left, Air Canada 402.
Air Canada 991, tower, Delta 6, line up, runway 06 left.
Line up 6 left, Delta 6 for Canada 991, it looks like we need a minute for the back end anyways.
Canada 991, roger, continue with the line up 6 left, company can't go on for another couple of minutes anyway.
Okay, check the comics, continue line up 6 left, Delta 6, Air Canada 991.
WestJet 703, departure 128.
Sure, WestJet 703.
Riverjet 850, no delay, expedite down to 338, please.
Actually, I don't know.
What happened, sorry?
I don't know, something's wrong with the plane.
Air Sprint 654, pull up, go around.
Pull up and go around Air Sprint 654.
Air Sprint 654, stop and climb 3,000 feet, turn left, heading 360.
We'll climb 3,000, say heading?
360.
Heading 360, Air Sprint 654.
Toronto Tower, good morning at 5 November, super on the island, 05.
Air Sprint 654, contact 128.8.
Air Sprint 654.
Air Canada 402, departure 128.
28, Air Canada 402.
Riverjet 850, do you require the trucks? Air Sprint, sorry, Etihad 5, Bravo November. Fly runway heading, stop your climb 3,000 feet.
Fly runway heading, climb 3,000 feet at 5 Bravo November.
Just confirm fly runway heading, stop your climb 3,000 feet.
Fly runway heading, stop climb 3,000 feet at 5 Bravo November.
Canada 991, clear takeoff 6 left.
Clear takeoff 6 left, Air Canada 991.
Riverjet 850, the trucks have been called. I see you're leaning heavily to the one side. Are you alright?
Yeah, everything's okay so far. I don't seem to have any issue, but we are definitely, we are down on the ground.
Okay, perfect, thank you. There will be nobody else landing behind you. I don't know if you're on what side of the whole short line you are, but there will be assistance coming momentarily.
Yeah, we're just about 20-some yards short of it. It just ran out of energy.
Okay, thanks. Air Canada 624, tower line up runway 06 left.
My turn wait, 06 left, Air Canada 624.
Etihad 5, Bravo November. Continue on that heading. Contact 128.8.
Continue the heading and 128.8 at 5 Bravo November.
Canada 624, clear takeoff 6 left.
Clear takeoff 6 left, Air Canada 624.
Air Canada 766, tower line up runway 06 left. Keep company in sight for the visual.
On 6 left.
Version 850, go over to 12267 now.
12267,
Canada 991, departure 128.
Departure for Canada 991, see ya. Riverjet 850, no contact on 2267.
Okay, then you can stay with me. I don't know, I was told the trucks were there, but just stand by 1 sec.
Yeah, I see the truck, but it's